We'll see the second word problem now. I am reading the question. Listen carefully. The question given on the board is, the word problem given on the board is, there are 56 mango trees and 35 apple trees and 12 orange trees in a garden. I'll repeat it again. There are 56 mango trees, 35 apple trees and 12 orange trees in a garden. Next, what is the question they are asking is, I have written in the blue. How many trees are there all together? They have given here is all together, which means what we should do? What we should do? We should do addition. In all, total or all together, if they have given, we have to do addition. Just remember that. Now we'll start writing the statements for this problem. What did they give? They have given about the trees. Okay. So what trees do you have? You have mango trees, you have apple trees and you have orange trees. Where do you have them? In the garden. So what will be the first statement? Number of mango trees in a garden or in the garden. So number I represent it as NO here. I write it as NO like this. Number of mango trees. Number of mango trees in the garden is equals to, give some gap and write 5, 6, 56 neatly. Okay. Next what trees do you have? 35 apple trees he gave. So what do you write here again? Number of apple trees in the garden. How many are there? 35. So write one below the other neatly. One below the other neatly. Okay? And 1 to 12 orange trees. So number of orange trees in the garden is equals to, how much is it? 1 to 12. So write 1 to 12. Now what is the question? How many number of trees are there all together? How many trees are there all together? So the next statement will be, number of trees all together. After writing this statement, we will do addition. After writing this statement, we will do addition. To mark the plus sign here, then write ones column, tens column. Here we have 3 rows in ones column. So how we'll do addition is, take the first two numbers. Take the first two numbers. Which number is big in 6 and 5? 6 is big. So 6 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. Count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's a 2-digit number. So you will not write here directly. You have another number to add, that is 2. So what you will do is, beside this 5, after adding these 2 digits, you write 11 here. Okay. Now take this 11 in your mind, 2 on your fingers, count after 11, 12, 13. So you will write 13 here. Okay. Strike off this 11, write 13 here. Then don't get confused. That is why I am asking you to strike off this 11. Here you will write ones column and tens column. Ones column number will come to the ones column, that is 3. This tens column number will go here, that is 1. Now here also the same way. 5 in your mind, 3 on your fingers, count after 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we write the answer 8 here directly? No, we have one more number. 8. You got 8 here. So write 8 if you want. 8 here. Okay. 8 in your mind, 1 on your finger. Count after 8. 9. You have one more number here. You have one more number here. After 9, what do you get here? 10. Clear, children? I'll explain this once again. So we have given 3 rows in one's column. So 6, 5 and 2. So first two numbers we'll take 6 and 5. So 6 in your mind, big number in your mind, small number on your fingers. So 6 in your mind, 5 on your fingers, count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have written 11 here. So take this 11 and this 2. So 11 in your mind, 2 on your fingers, count after 11, 12, 13. I'll write 13 here and strike this 11. Okay, then after that mark ones column and tens column to this 13, and ones column number will come to the ones column, this tens column will go to the tens column, carrying. Then this ones column addition is finished. Now come to the tens column, we'll take the first two digits 5 and 3. So 5 in your mind, 3 on your fingers, count after 5, 6, 7, 8. I have written 8 here. 8 and 1 is there here, so you have to do addition again. So 8 in your mind, 1 on your finger, count after 8, 9. But you have one more carried number here. After 9, one finger again, 10. So 10. The answer is 103. The sum is 103. So the final statement, what do we write here? Therefore, total number of trees in the garden is equals to, you should write this number 103. So the final statement is therefore total number of trees in the garden is equals to 103. So when you are given all together or in all or total, you have to definitely do addition. Fix that in your mind. So when they are given in the word problems, if they give you all together or total or in all, what is the sum of, okay, when they are given that question, you have to do addition, and in the end you have to write this final statement, the total number of, okay, therefore total number of. If they ask you trees, you write trees. If they ask you chocolates, you write chocolates. Or if they are given runs in the cricket match, you write that statement and write this sum in the final statement. This is the answer. So this is the final statement. Clear, children? You understood how to do word problems in addition. Okay, if they give you in all together, total or sum of, you have to definitely do addition. What will you do? Addition. Okay.